because I don't know this September.
Hsinchu has a lot of strong wind, especially in September. The best rice noodle is made under 30% of sunshine and 70% of wind.
I'm actually kind of excited about making the rice noodles, really curious about what it's going to be like.
I've never made it before, and I think it's super cool that I'm hoping that whatever I make is going to come out well, but I guess we'll have to see, right? So fingers crossed.
𝙃𝙨𝙞𝙣𝙮, shaped like a trumpet with a bell facing the ocean. This is the only place in western Taiwan displaying the northeastern monsoon starting September, giving Hsinchu the name Wind City. The dry, strong wind of September brings Hsinchu abundant products, such as rice noodles, persimmons, misona, soy sauce, and morello.
Oh my goodness!
I told you. I got because I don't know this September wind is really strong, you know.
I can tell.
In here.
It's here?
Wait, just go.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Cheers. Hi.
Hello.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's my friend.
Hi, I'm Nina. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nina. Nice to meet you.
I'm Joshua.
I'm Debbie. I'll be your guide today.
Awesome.
And I'll
Okay.
teach you how to make rice noodles. Have you heard about why Hsinchu noodle is so famous?
No, why is it so famous?
Do you know why?
Of course I know. I do
You
the
know?
homework because wind, right?
Yes, wind.
Yeah, right?
Hsinchu has a lot of strong wind, especially in September.
Oh, I see. So the September wind. Okay.
I told you outside. I told you outside before, right? Right?
You did
Oh,
mention
yeah,
it.
So you mean my English is too poor, right?
No,
It's
you're good,
it's
you're good.
Okay, actually, it's not just the wind in September. It's the wind from September to January, the next month.
Okay.
That's when we have a lot of wind and less sun. Because the best rice noodle is made under 30% of sunshine and 70% of wind.
Oh, wow. So the weather and the sunshine help create this special type of noodles.
Yeah, the history of Hsinchu noodles started here with the old pot's ancestor.
Oh, wow. So we're at the very start, right? This is the place that it started?
Yes, so I'll be teaching you how to make rice noodles today.
Yay, excited.
But before that, let's learn some histories.
So you mean study?
No study.
He looks so sad. He's like, what?
No bugs.
Yes.
No bugs.
No bugs.
No books.
Okay, no bugs.
That
Let's go.
should be fine.
No
What
bugs.
are we
It's
waiting
okay.
for? Let's
Just
go.
go. Just go. You say no book. Yeah.
Here, there's no books, so I'll read it to
It's a
you.
poster.
You're really afraid of books, right?
I don't want to study. Yeah. Come on. I want to listen.
I'll just tell you, it's really fun facts.
Okay.
Do you know how many types of rice noodles there are?
How many? No idea.
What?
No.
Of course,
3.
well, because
Let's see who's closer.
because lies.
Okay,
Only lies,
19.
right?
I'm 3.
3.
I'm 19.
19.
That's so random.
The correct answer is in between your answers, so 2.
Okay, so we're both winners then.
Yeah.
Okay, so one type of rice noodle was steamed after the dough is made into, those little angel hair-like shreds.
Okay.
Yeah, it's steamed afterwards. So it's called 炊粉. Chui means steam. Usually we pan fry it. So the other one is boiled in water after shreds come out.
Okay.
So it's called 水粉. Like the texture,
Oh, the
is
texture.
thicker and smoother.
Okay.
So it's very suitable for soup noodles.
Can I eat? Is that next?
Not yet. You have
Not
to.
yet.
You have to make your own rice noodles.
I have a question. Are we going to be making the steamed one or the
Steamed
boiled
one.
The steamed one. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Next.
Let's go.
Let's see if I can go faster.
I'm actually kind of excited about making the rice noodles because earlier, as we saw, there was like lots of different equipment and I'm not sure what kind of experience I get to have when I make the rice noodle. Just really curious about what it's going to be like, and excited.
So I'm actually kind of excited about doing this because I've never made it before, and I think it's super cool that in Taiwan we have these places where you can do it yourself, and we learned about the history at the same time. So I'm hoping that whatever I make is going to come out well, but I guess we'll have to see, right? So fingers crossed.
So, can I eat?
Finally, not yet.
Not yet.
There's still a few steps, or you can take it home.
Okay.
Or cook it.
What do we do?
Yeah.
So you each have this plate of ingredients.
Yes.
This has to be divided into 4 equal portions.
Okay.
So what we do is divide it by 2,
Number 2, yeah.
then another 2.
Time to get your hands dirty.
You take 1 portion, and then you have to separate the noodles. Try to make it as tidy as possible.
That's impossible. Look at this mess. It's like my hair in the morning.
Oh, that takes skill.
You have to separate. You have to more like this. It's like a yeah.
Mine
It's
looks
like
like
enough food.
Okay, if you're so
jungle.
good at it, you do it.
Of course, right? Come on. Finally, we can make rice noodles, right?
I'm so hungry.
Okay, now I teach my friend
Okay.
how to make rice noodles, okay?
Okay.
First, we pick up vegetable.
Vegetables.
Yes, so vegetable is have to 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes,
Okay.
cooking 1 minute.
Okay.
Just inside, just inside.
You're really bad at this. You should, you drop some.
This is rice noodle, half a minute.
30
Half a minute.
seconds. Okay.
30 seconds.
Okay.
Same mean, okay? The same mean.
They're ready.
Vegetables.
Okay.
Vegetables. And then, wait. Wait.
Almost there.
How much longer do I have to wait? I'm
Wait.
starving.
Wait. Okay, good.
TikTok.
Good. I show you how to cut water.
Whoa, watch out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to try?
Great. It smells
Want to try it?
awesome.
Really good.
Who
You
want
can
to
go
try?
Ladies first. Ladies
Lady
first.
first. You try it?
Okay.
Come on. This is dry rice noodles.
And it's cooked.
Yeah, it's cooked. It's cooked. Yes.
It better be.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
taste it. I make it. You taste it.
Is it good?
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
The taste is very good.
Yeah.
But the noodles are still kind of hard.
Today, I first come to this museum. I make this rice noodle and I ate myself. It's really, really amazing. My experience is really, really good. If I have chance, I want to take my friend and I want to take my family come here and make rice noodles.
When I first came here and I was walking through all the different equipment, and I thought, like, is it worth it? So much work, so much time, like the hours to dry out the noodles. And after eating it, I was like, yeah, it makes a lot of sense because it was so good. I would definitely recommend anybody to put this on their bucket list. They have to try it someday.
So I tried rice noodles actually many years ago when I first came to Taiwan. And it's like one of my mom's favorite dish. And before today, I actually never knew how it was made. I didn't know all of the processes that goes into it and the hard work. And I just feel it's a big part of Taiwanese food culture itself and a big part of Taiwanese people's lives as well. So I'm really glad that I got to try it, try making it, and try the food itself. And I'm really glad I had a great time.